Hi everyone, welcome to the Joy of Blue collaboration hosted by Crafting and Relaxing, I believe is Sarah. Thank you, Sarah, for letting me participate. So this collab is going to be a mixture of all different types of creativity, not just jewelry, but I asked Sarah if I could participate on this channel, Dahlia Designs Jewelry and More, and make jewelry all year long in blue, because I have lots of blue beads because it's my favorite color. Yeah, and I've kind of made a schedule for myself, which I'm not going to share. I wanted to be a surprise for you each month on what beads I've chosen to use. So, and also before I go any further, the list of all the participants, many YouTube, but some also, I believe, Instagram, are linked down below the video. So after you watch me, please go check everyone else out and see what they've created. There are some amazing crafters in this community, whether it's jewelry making, paper crafting, or whatever. And I have come to know Crafting and Relaxing's channel through my other main channel, which is Deb Houck's Crafty Cottage, and I'll also have that linked down the very bottom of the description box below all the participants for this collaboration. So if you're interested in checking that out as well. All right, without further ado, I'm going to move this out of the way because I need the room to show you things. I'm just going to slide it over. I decided this month, guys, to use blue lace agate. I had a pack of 7 of these beautiful ovals. Now most of them, the striping went this way. This one is the sole. I'm going to make a pendant or something out of this. I just haven't done it yet. The stripes went the opposite way, so I didn't use that one today. That's the only one I have left. I used some freshwater pearls in they're potato pearls in medium blue, 8x7. I got them from jewelrymaker.com from the UK about 6 years ago. And then these I had gotten way back in 2012 from Jewelry Television, Jewel School. It was a kit pack that had 4mm, 6mm, 8mm, and 10mm. On this first project I'm going to show you, first 2 items, I only used the 10mm, which I only have one left right there. No, right there. And actually I have several 10mm. I only have one 8mm left. And it kind of has a messed up hole, so I didn't use it. It worked out okay. And then I'll show you some other things. So without further ado, I'm actually going to push you up here a little bit so you can see it on the bust. And I'm at my regular craft desk, not my jewelry making desk. So forgive the, the glue and stuff. I'm trying to get a little higher. There we go. So these are the ovals. I was going to do a multi-strand necklace. I decided to just make 2 necklaces that would fit together, because I think they're going to end up being a little pricey when I put them in my store, because blue lace agate is not that cheap, and also the freshwater pearls are a little more expensive, and because of that I put it on sterling silver lobster clasp with a closed ring, soldered closed, sterling silver crimp tubes. I am going to add crimp covers on this one, but I just didn't get to it yet. So I just thought this was a gorgeous stone. Actually all of them are, but that one in particular. So I made that the center focal point. And then as we go down this way, and these are the medium blue pearls. So these are 10mm. And then all back here are 8mm. And let's see. Yeah, I guess that's, it's really a simple design, but I think it's effective. And it is about 20, maybe like 21 inches. I was going for 20, but I think I ended up making it a little longer. And then this one, also same kind of closure. It has the 8 and 10 millimeter blue lace agate only. Oops, sorry. And the pearls, but it doesn't have any of the ovals in it. That glare is bad, but there's a good view of it. And you know, they're gemstones. They're gonna have varying striations and lines. They're not going to be the same, is what I'm trying to say, like a crystal or something would be. So that fits up on the bust like that. Fits very nicely together. I think it's gorgeous, even though it's simple. I love blue lace agate. It's like my favorite agate. I think. I don't know. I have lots of favorites. Then to go with it, I made this bracelet with one of the beads, and I just basically did the same thing. Pearl, 10 millimeter, pearl, 8 millimeter, pearl. Oh, I just noticed my thumbnail. I just messed it up. 8 millimeter pearl, 8 millimeter. Now on here at the back, I did add in 2 6 millimeters. That's because A, I only had that one 8 millimeter left. And B, I like to have something a little smaller back where the closure is. I did put a lobster clasp on and a closed ring, sterling silver, and I will be putting crimp covers over all the crimps. So 6 crimp covers, 2 here and 2 on each necklace. So let me put that over here. And lastly, with the blue lace agate, I made a pair of earrings with just 2 10 millimeters and 2 6 millimeters, but I ran out of the 8 millimeters. I just had that one that the hole wasn't drilled properly, so I substituted them for the 6 millimeter, and then also the pearls would not fit on the head pins that I had. So I found these brushed sterling silver mini bead kit, also from jewelrymaker.com from back in 2015, and I had 3 of these sort of upside down heart shapes, or maybe if I turned them the other way they would have looked like hearts. Anyway, I used them. The ball sterling silver head pin was from Fire Mountain, and then the ear wires were also from jewelrymaker.com. They're 925 sterling silver also. And I thought those were simple but pretty to go with that set. I have some smaller ovals, but they were faceted, and I was going to use them for the earrings, and I decided against it. Okay, so that is what I made with the blue lace agate. I hope you like what I made there. And then I had this strand from Soft Flex of Jesse James beads. See, it has jessejamesbeads.com. But I got them from Soft Flex. It's a blue strand. I actually might have even gotten it free. I can't remember right off the top of my head. Their strands are usually about $11.49, something like that. And it had 35 beads and bead caps and stuff on it. So this is not the entire strand, but it is the larger beads and some bead caps. And then what I did, I didn't bring them over with me, but in between them are these electroplated glass beads. Those are from Bead Park. And I had gotten them as part of their affiliate program last year from, I think it was last year. Anyway, I can't remember. But yeah, so they're all, it's like a bag of 200 all different color ones, and I picked out all the dark blue. You can see they're like an AB electroplated finish on them. And then in the back, this even is Jesse James. I end it with 2 of those back to back, and then this toggle clasp is from jewelrymaker.com as well. It's twisted around there. And the gold filled crimp beads or tubes are from softflex.com. I had them left over from the metallic sparkles kit that I just made a bunch of jewelry with. And this is also strung on Soft Flex antique brass or antique bronze, I forget. I think it's antique brass beading wire that was also in the metallic sparkles kit. And this one is about 6 3/4 inch, and it fits me perfectly. My wrist is 6 1/2 inch tight. So this one, I thought I was getting it to about 7, but it's really about 6 3/4. So that's the bracelet. And then I just made 2 pair of earrings, which you can see here. They're on, well, let me take one off. They're on a square bottomed head pin. And then this, and these rubbery discs, there's 2 of them stacked here. Those were off the Jesse James bead strand from Soft Flex. And then these are also from Bead Park. They came in a pack of like 111 or something. They're like a gold tone metal 4mm bead. And then this is a gold plated jump ring and gold plated lever backs. I actually prefer lever backs myself because I think they're more secure. So I think those are pretty. And then the last pair are these. All the blue beads were from the Jesse James strand. So I just used a regular head pin on these. 1 1/2 inch, I think, from Fire Mountain in gold plated brass. Another little gold plated jump ring. Gold plated brass eye pin from Fire Mountain. 2 more of the Bead Park beads here, and again, which I wire wrap directly onto the lever backs, and then the gold plated brass lever backs. So those are my makes for Joy of Blue for the month of January. Please come back each month on the 12th at noon Eastern is when we'll be posting. Which is 9 o'clock Pacific time for those, 9 in the morning for those on the other side of the coast. And if you're elsewhere in the world, I can't help you at the moment on what time that would be, but know that we post at noon Eastern on the 12th of each month. And in my case, I'll just be using different types of blue beads. I have a list made up, like I said before, for the whole year. I'm not going to share that. You'll just have to come back and see what I make. Sometimes it won't be gemstones. Sometimes it will. You know, it might be check glass one time. It might be just pearls with accents. It might be Swarovski crystal. It might be Chinese crystal. It could be, I don't know. I have all kinds of gemstone beads, though, in blues. So we'll see. I'm going to try and mix it up a little bit, and you may never know. Like here, these are mostly glass and art, you know, like, I don't know what these are made out of, clay maybe, or something, and these are mostly gemstone and freshwater pearls. So it'll be a variety. I hope you'll come and join me on the 12th of each month, and also don't forget to check everyone else out in the description area below. There are some, or very wonderfully talented, I should say, crafters in our crafting community. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Again, please be sure to check everyone else out. Thank you so much, Sarah, for letting me participate, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now. Hugs, love, and peace.